Dear students, today I am going to discuss about what are the important causes for deforestation. So in the previous video I already explained what is the importance of forest resources and what are the uses of forest resources. In that I already explained, according to the 1986 report, in total area of the land, 40% of the land was covered with forest and 60% of the land was covered with land area. So after that, in the year 2005 report, in total area of the land, 80% of the land is covered with land area and only 20% of the land is covered with forest. Out of 20%, 12% is with the dense forest and 8% is includes only a simple forest. Today we go through the what are the important causes for deforestation. What are the reasons for there is a degradation of forest resources in India? First one is most of the forest area is occupied by river valley project. No doubt, during the time of summer, India will face the scarcity of water resources. So, in order to maintain the water resources throughout the year, we have to maintain some water resources for summer season also. For that reason, government is occupying the forest area for construction of river valley project. This is also one of the reason for the deforestation of the deforestation. Then a second one is diversion of forest land for non-forest use such as mining industry, timber-based industry. No doubt, without the development of industry, development of India is not possible. So that's why we have to establish some of the industries in India. Now, government is going to occupy the forest land for the purpose of mining industry and timber based industry. So, these are inevitable for the development. But this is also one of the reason for deforestation in India. Then third one, overgrazing by livestock. Livestock are permitted to enter into a reserve forest because of overgrazing by livestock is also one of the reason for deforestation. Then fourth one is commercial extraction of timber produced by the state agencies. No doubt almost all forest resources are used for the purpose of commercial extraction. Some of the timber producers are used for conversion of paper industries. Some of the commercial timber are used for the purpose of preparing furniture. This is also another reason for deforestation. Then fifth one is increased consumption need by urban population. Day by day there is a lot of increase in the urban population. When there is a lot of increase in the urban population, their needs and demands are also increasing. In order to satisfy the needs and demands of the urban population, using the natural resources is increasing. Because of increase in the consumption of forest resources by the urban population is also one of the reason for the deforestation. Then sixth one, rapid industrialization. Without the natural resources, the industrialization will not get any raw materials. Without raw materials, the development of industries in India is not possible. For the purpose of raw material, almost all industries are based on natural resources. So the forest resource is also one of the main source of raw material. So almost all industries are using the resources for production purpose. So this is also one of the reason for the deforestation in India. Then seventh one, conversion of forest land for agriculture purpose. No doubt, when there is an increase in the population day by day, the food requirement is also increasing day by day. In order to satisfy the needs of the forest food resources by the increased population, no doubt government is converting and occupying the forest area to convert that forest area for agriculture purposes. So conversion of forest land for agriculture purpose is also one of the main reason for the deforestation. So these all about important causes for deforestation. In the next video, we go through how to conserve our forest resources in India.